there's so much that needs to happen as we
Mhm.
age in
Yeah.
long-term care. Like you and I've talked about 100 times, there's so much. And it takes a village. And when you
And
can,
there are
yeah,
no cookie cutter solutions. I wish
no,
there was. I wish there was a way that all of us human beings could fit in slots and then there was a program for everybody, but it doesn't work that way.
CareBLOOM helps individuals age no matter where they're at. So whether you're at home aging in place, whether you're in assisted living, independent living community, we really follow people where they're at. And our goal is to help individuals monitor their loved ones if they can't be there, or also
Mhm.
get that peace of mind if their family members are in communities that they're getting
Mhm.
the assistance they need, that they have the care levels, the requirement that they need, and that, they're just being taken care of.
Welcome to the Answers for Elders radio show.
And welcome everyone to Answers for Elders Radio Network, heard across the USA and on your favorite podcast platform. And we have our friend Lindsay back. And I'm really thrilled that you brought your business partner, your COO, Shannon Lyons, and we're talking about your baby,
yep,
CareBLOOM.
yep. We're talking about my oldest baby.
Yes, your oldest baby. And by the way, we put a link to your original interview that you and Shannon did several years ago, and we would love to make sure that our listener can find it. So, Shannon Lyons, welcome back to Answers for Elders. It's been forever.
Yes, thank you. It feels like a lifetime, so much between then and now. But yes, we're excited to be back.
Yes. Well, Shannon, give us an update about what you're up to with CareBLOOM and what's going on.
Yeah, it's been an interesting few years. So we have been building the product and making sure that we have more units ready for families that need them. So we're in production. Production is a big part of our design because we actually do have a product. We produce it in-house. So a lot of other companies that you hear, they can use off the shelf, but ours is proprietary. And that's why we stand behind our tech so much, is because we developed it. So we're in production all the time. And then we actually starting clinical trials, which is, we never thought of ourselves as sort of a diagnostic tool.
Right.
And because we have an off-the-shelf watch that we utilize,
Right.
and that is a non-diagnostic for our vitals. However, we're being considered for diagnosis for movement. So we're actually starting a clinical trial for it's a treatable form of dementia. And I actually didn't know a lot about dementia and the nuances of the different types. But this form, you can use a stent to drain fluid from the spine, and that actually reduces the dementia symptoms. And so it's really interesting. And so we're kicking off that human trial this month, and it'll last about a year. So it's a different use case for us where we're really excited.
Wow. Wow. And, there's so many breakthroughs with dementia, and I'm not surprised that, so many things are happening in that area and then it breaks my heart when I think about all of the possibilities that could be opened up. And then here's our government trying to take away funding, which is just for clinical research. It's crazy, but that's a side note. But anyway, tell me a little bit about CareBLOOM, just to refresh our audience a little bit about what CareBLOOM is.
Yeah. So CareBLOOM helps individuals age no matter where they're at. So whether you're at home aging in place, whether you're in assisted living, independent living community, we really follow people where they're at. And our goal is to help individuals monitor their loved ones if they can't be there, or also get that peace of mind if their family members are in communities that they're getting the assistance they need, that they have the care levels, the requirement that they need, and that, they're just being taken care of. And so we are a peace of mind tool, I would say. We offer caregivers, family members, a peace of mind throughout their day. And the way we do that is we have a watch. It looks a little bit like a Fitbit. So it has a watch face. It doesn't look like a medical device. And that was really important, right? Because a big clunky medical device, nobody wants to wear that.
No.
So we have a watch.
People don't want you to notice that they have to have one either. So this is very discreet when it just looks just like a watch.
Yep, that's right on. And so, and that device works with sensors, whether you're in a suite and you have an apartment, or you're in an assisted living facility, or you're in a 5-bedroom home. It doesn't matter what environment you're in. We monitor, we can monitor up to 5 rooms per kit. We can add to
Mhm.
those if you have like, hey, I want to monitor the garage because mom's going out to the garage a whole lot, or, we have a 3rd floor that's just really difficult to get to. We can
Mhm.
always add sensors to a kit. And that allows your family members to view on the app. So it's really beautiful. They open the app, they can see what the day is like. Mom's up and got out of her chair. She's up and going for the day, had breakfast. Now she's back in the living room, and I'm going to go ahead and give her a call. So it's been amazing to watch how families use it, but it really is a peace of mind tool.
Yeah, absolutely. And obviously, online you're collecting certain types of data to for family members that when they're checking in and things like that, you're able to monitor.
Oh yeah. So it's we do something called indoor precise human location. And that's a lot of words, but what that means is we're able to tell you very specifically where your loved one is. And so we hear a lot of times, hey, my mom has an iWatch. How is, an Apple Watch? How is
Mhm.
this different? And we say, well, that'll tell you that she's at her home. We can actually tell you that she's been in the basement and having a challenge getting up the stairs for the past hour. So
Yeah.
it's very, very, very delicate. So we do location, and that's to the second.
Mhm.
Check within 15 seconds. We do
Mhm.
vitals on the hour. We also do things that support ADLs like movement throughout the home, step, sleep, and
Mhm.
bathroom trips. Bathroom
Right.
trips are important because that's how someone is able to take care of themselves. And so if there's changes in that,
Mhm.
I'll be able to let you know, hey, something's up with your family member, and their bathrooming or their toileting has changed from one week
Yeah.
to another. Yep.
Yeah, yeah. So obviously you guys have weathered the storm through COVID because I know that I interviewed you guys before COVID.
Yes, we
Mhm.
weathered the storm of COVID. We weathered the storm of tariffs, and we are still here. And I think it comes to the market and that people really
Sure.
need something, and they need something they can trust and that really can help them stay where they want to be.
Yeah, yeah. And what I'm really find in this whole scenario of care is it really works well. One of the things that I love about you guys is you're very much collaborative in finding ways for us to come together and to do collaboration. Lindsay, you're the hero in most of this. And the thing that I think is really exciting is that we've got some things that Lindsay and I are working on behind the scenes. And of course, I'm sure Shannon, you're familiar with what we're looking at. And I really see CareBLOOM and LT CareNav being a part of what we're doing and in this whole ecosystem that we're creating. So I'm really excited about having you guys on our team.
It does. It fits so beautifully into that,
Mhm.
into that model of what does it mean to be safe at home and what has to be part of that. And so for us to be able to work and understand that both with CareBLOOM and LT CareNav and utilizing what you're doing, I think is so fantastic that we can both help the same groups of people because there's so much that needs to happen as we
Mhm.
age in
Yeah.
long-term care. Like you and I've talked about 100 times, there's so much, and it takes a village. And when you
And
can,
there are
yeah,
no cookie cutter solutions. I wish
no,
there was. I wish there was a way that all of us human beings could fit in slots and then there was a program for everybody, but it doesn't work that way. We are all have unique needs. And then you take a married couple that have two independent care plans. That even sometimes makes it more complicated. And certainly having a service like LT CareNav, we just had Care Patrol on, which is great. I'm really interested in this whole phenomena of what, we're starting to create together, which is just really, really exciting.
it's
Yeah.
been amazing.
Yeah. So Shannon, I'm understanding you're now going to be part of LT CareNav as well now.
I am. I am. Linz has brought me into the fold, so I'm super excited to,
Yeah.
help. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, we're going to be having a lot of conversations and certainly with our network and the people that we trust a little bit more. Before we go, I want to make sure everybody knows how to number one, what is CareBLOOM? How do they find you? And a little bit about your service.
Yeah. So I would say CareBLOOM is a tool that helps people age, whether that's at home, whether that's in an assisted living, independent living, wherever you are, we're going to follow you and we're going to help your caregivers take care of you. And our goal is to provide peace of mind. We do that through a smartwatch and a series of sensors for the home or suite. And that allows your loved ones to view your information on an app. So we do real-time location, vitals, and ADLs. So yeah, they can go to our website, carebloom.com, carebloom.com. And you can buy kits right now. We have inventory in stock ready for you. Right. It's $199 per month. There's no hardware costs. We know that hardware can be expensive and we don't want families to have to worry about that. So it's a flat rate, $199 a month for continuous monitoring.
That's fabulous. And you mentioned something about ADLs. I just want to make sure from our audience what that means. It's activities of daily living. It's general things that they need help with, whether it's bathing, dressing, grooming, toileting, all kinds of things. I'm trying to think of all the different, there's 7 of them. And of course, dementia is a big piece of it too. And you guys can certainly help in that regard. And Lindsay and Shannon, I'm so thrilled to have you guys. And again, go to carebloom.com and any sort of information. And then Lindsay, how do people find LT CareNav?
Go to ltcarenav.com. If you go to ltcarenav.com/podcasts, there's actually a discount code for CareBLOOM, as well as a free download to an ebook that I wrote. So ltcarenav.com/podcasts with an S at the end.
Perfect. Well, this is great. It's been wonderful having you two ladies on, and we're definitely going to have to do it again.
Did you know that you can discover hundreds of podcasts in our library on senior care? So visit our website and discover our decision guides that will help you also navigate decision making. Find us at answersforelders.com.